What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another fun and exciting video for you today. Another What's Sold video, but we're going to go back to the way we normally have did it in the past. Now, but we still may still do the video how we've been doing, where I sit at my desk, flash something up on the screen, and I might still show some of these up on the screen. We'll see how it goes. But man, do we have some fun and exciting stuff coming up for you guys. More and more videos will be coming out now that yard sale season will be starting. And I also want to show you the room. I've recently redone the room. Me and the kids rearranged this whole office down here. It was something that we've been wanting to do for a while, and we finally did it. It's close to being done, so I'm going to show you what we've done. So in some of the previous videos, you guys probably noticed all of our shelving units and stuff were over here. Well, we finally got this all moved out, and now this is kind of the death pile. I know. I got to get to it listed, and I'm working little by little. Some of this stuff, yeah, some needs listed, some doesn't. That's just like a miscellaneous pile. I was finally able to put up a table here. This is kind of my little shipping area. All the boxes, all the extra boxes, all my envelopes, tape, everything is all over here. Easy enough to grab, and then just bring it over, package it up. My shipping scale is still over here, so I can go weigh it, turn to the computer, print the label, and get it out of here. So really cool. I know you guys see all the stickers on the board here on my workbench here. If you guys have a sticker, address is down below. Feel free to send it to us. We'll stick it on the workbench, show our support, and you never know, you might see your sticker in one of our future videos. Now, I still have to work on the workbench over there. It took me about 5 tries to get that right. That area still is a complete, utter disaster on top. But once I get that straightened up, it'll be in better shape that I could also take my pictures over there still. Also, I put up some brand new lights behind me there, and also up over here. Also with this one. So now it's super bright down here, and it's easy to work because I also use this office for my normal job too. So this office has a multi-purpose space. Now all the bins that were behind me now are actually all on this wall. Super easy to find. All the bins semi-match. There's a couple still that stand out, but they're all labeled, and that's how we find all of our stuff. We have places that we like to go: Disney, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Penguins Arena. But that is how we name all of our bins, and everything is coded in there with the SKU number, or word in this case, and that's how we find our items. So the first item we're going to go grab is in the Animal Kingdom bin. It is the King James Version of the Bible on cassette tape. But yeah, we end up getting $6.99 for this plus shipping. I think this is going to go out medium mail. I'm not sure what the buyer picked for this one. But yeah, $6.99. Do not sleep on the Bible if it's on CD or even cassette tapes. Okay, so the next thing going out is 3 Winston cigarette matches tins. We picked these up at Goodwill a long time ago. I finally got around to listing them, and these things didn't last that long. We ended up getting $7.99 for these, so let's go grab them. They are right down here. Let's see, there's 1, 2, and 3. This is what they look like here. It's a nice metal tin. I think there's 50 matches in there or something, or 50 matchbooks. I don't know. Got this free with a 3-pack purchase. You don't see these too often. Okay, so the next thing going out is this Harley Davidson pin. It is in this bin here. Let's see, right here. Perfect. Harley Davidson. It's a V-wing pin. We ended up getting $7.50 plus shipping on this. We picked this up at a Ohio yard sale. We ended up picking up 2, and finally sold this one about 2 years later. So good to see this one leaving. Okay, so the next thing going out is a Tito's Vodka Golf Polo. It's supposed to be in this bin. Let's see. I know it's a black shirt. Oh, look at that. We got lucky there. Tito's Vodka Golf Polo, $19.99 plus shipping. I think I wore this thing once or twice. We found this at a Goodwill. So, super happy to see this one get out of here. Okay, so next up we have going out a lot of 22 signed WWE photos. 8x10s, we picked these up. Some of these we got signed in person. Some of these we actually got into a lot of photos that we actually won off of Whatnot. So let's go grab these. Okay, it is over here in the Animal Kingdom bin, which actually used to be our Easton bin, and we actually just listed these, and these only stayed for about 2 hours. So this is the folder here that I put them in. Sorry, it's a little bit of messy down here. We are doing a little bit more cleanup here, but I'll show you some of these photos. Gilbert, Lana, Matt Hardy, Carmella, stuff like that. Yeah, $50 plus shipping. Autographs usually sell really well for us. We used to get autographs in the past, and that's one thing we love selling. Stay tuned though, we're going to do a video on some of the celebrities that we've actually met in the past and show you pictures that we got with them. Okay, so the next thing going out is this Ryan Hurst autographed photo. He is well known for being in Sons of Anarchy and Bates Motel. Ryan signed this when he was in Pittsburgh for a little trip. We ended up getting $20 plus shipping, and yeah, sad to see this one go because I am a huge fan of Ryan Hurst. Next up, we have a kid's jersey going out. It should be one of these two here. Yep, Troy Polamalu, Pittsburgh Steelers jersey. This is a size 2T, which I pick up kids' jerseys all the time because they do sell really well. This one was in really good shape. I do not pick them up if they're not in good shape. If they're in really good shape, I will pick them up. We're going to be getting $20 plus shipping for a 2T Troy Polamalu jersey. Okay, so the next thing we have going out is a dartboard power pack. And you actually see it right here in the bin. Right here. It is this Archid power pack for a electronic dartboard. We found an electronic dartboard at the yard sale last year. We played with it for a little bit. Ended up getting rid of it because it did break. Kept the power pack. Sold this $19.99 plus shipping. So remember, when in doubt, part it out. Next up, we are going to grab a Funko Pop. Down here in the Lake Racetown bin, we got this and a mystery box that ended up being complete trash. We ended up getting $4 plus shipping for this Funko. Not a highly collectible Funko, but somebody's going to add this to their collection, and it's in really good shape. So $4 plus shipping on that one. Next up is some jeans, and we actually really messed up. We sold a pair of 514s, 38 by 30, not this pair. It was a super dark pair. Well, I must have shipped out the dark pair to somebody else before. So when I went to go ship this order, I realized I didn't have the dark pair of jeans. So I reached out to the buyer, told him, hey, I have a lighter color pair of jeans, or I have a pair of 541 38 by 30s, and they're going to take that. So here is the 541s, 38 by 30 on these, $9.99 plus shipping. These are heading out, and we normally ship these in a priority mail flat rate padded envelope, just because jeans do weigh a lot, and it's just an easier way to ship. Okay, next up we have going out a button. I think it's right here. Yep. Express mail services from Pittsburgh overnight. This is from, I think it's 1990. We're getting $5.99 plus shipping on this. I think we paid maybe a quarter or not less. We do have two of these, so if you're still looking for one of these, we do have one. So vintage buttons, yeah, they sell really good for us. Next up, we have an Andrew McCutcheon shirt going out. It is in the Walmart bin right here. $11 plus shipping. This one, yeah, McCutcheon just became a pirate again, so we found this at a local thrift store and we knew it would sell pretty quickly. We paid $1.99 for this. It is a size XL, but yeah, really nice shirt, and hey, I didn't think it would last this long. And I figured it would not last long, and it didn't. So, yep, happy to see this one going. I think it's actually going to Texas. So, shocking, because I actually thought this would stay in PA. Okay, another pair of jeans going out there. 501s, 36 by something. Okay, we're going to be one of these. I think it's this one. 501, 34 by 36 jeans right here. I think we actually just picked these up not that long ago. We end up getting $22.01 plus shipping on this. Again, these will go in a priority mail flat rate envelope. Okay, so the next thing going out is this VCR down here. Grab this real quick. This is this VCR. I'm not even sure where we picked this thing up at, but we listed it. It only lasted maybe 4 hours. It does actually have some scratches on the top, which I did disclose in the auction. We're getting $29.99 plus shipping on this thing. We normally cannot keep VHS players in stock. We usually buy them fairly cheap, and even if they don't work, we chalk it up as a loss because the ones we do buy do sell for some decent money. So This was probably the lowest end one that we've sold recently, but super happy to see this thing go because it does take up some space. So guys, that is the end of this What Sold video. I didn't want this thing to drag out and get way too long. We do have some more items to show that we will show in a future What Sold video. We're going to try to put these out maybe once a week or every so often, depending on how our sales have been. Our sales have been kind of steady, which has been nice. We've been moving a lot of inventory because we've also been listing. So if your sales have been slow, remember, list 5 things a day, 10 things a day, whatever you can. Also, try to use your eBay draft banks. It's something that I never used before, but a couple other resellers told me, hey, you should try to use this. And now that I use it, it's a lifesaver. Because there are some days where I don't want to list, I don't have time to list, but if I already have the drafts done, it's super easy to list. So remember guys, hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment down below. And until next time, we'll see you later guys. Bye.